Make a great choice today with the 2015 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, power windows, electronic stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.